going on, guys? Storm Chasing Brody here. I'm really excited for today. Today and tomorrow we have a tornado threat. It's very low.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Avenue B.
That's my GPS. But right now we're gonna do a special guest. We're chasing with one and only WNXC Storm Chasers. If you guys do not know, you've probably been living on a rock, but these guys are the top chasers of where I live, the Panhandle, Nebraska. And I am really glad I get to chase with them today. So it's basically once in a life an opportunity to do this. So this is their storm chasing vehicle, and it's pretty impressive. It's just a Super Outback with you can see their decal and everything. You have the Davis Instrument things. They have the Wi-Fi extender, and they also put this thing in like some pretty heavy material. I wouldn't call it super, but it's still pretty cool. Alright guys, we're gonna head out towards to our check water. This storm right here. You can see all the hail just spiking up right here. Beautiful storm. Wow. Alright, we're inside the Wyoming. We're inside Wyoming, and you can see this entire storm is just going nuts. Obviously you can't see because of the trees, but we got Lando doing the drone. The storm is starting to split right now, so the possibility is to settle that splitting. You can possibly do it. There's a high chance, so we're heading towards it right now. Walk over there.
Okay.
Wow, it's beautiful.
That's my shot, but it's a bit windy.
You can see the base right here. This storm is looking gnarly. You can see the base right here with this beautiful windmill shot right here. Just trying to possibly help around.
Right here!
Oh my god! Oh, holy crap! Tornado! Look at this! Tornado! Oh, look at that beautiful thing.
Yeah. It's about 5 to 7 miles.
What? Look how big it is! Yeah, look at that.
I'm gonna post this on Twitter too, just so you know.
Look at that, it's twin. I still got some trail that broke out, but there's some more. Ow, my nose. Storm's just built a tornado, and it just broke out, but we're about to get another one hopefully soon. See it fall over there. Really big rotation going here, but it's very broad.
Is it time to warn gearing too?
I would warn everything around. Warn tornado, warn everything.
Scottsbluff and gearing. Let's get the Hawk Springs.
So, that storm, the possibility of a half mile to a mile wide tornado rip through southern Mitchell, possibly. Let's Oh my god. Oh my god. That roof.
This is tornado damage.
This is.
Yeah,
Oh
look
my.
at that, John.
You guys alright?
He said yeah.
Oh my god.
Y'all flying this wind, John.
Look at that tree. Oh my god.
I'm getting 23 mile an hour gusts. That's fine with me.
Man.
Can I just do the whole
Oh my-
John,
Look at that tree. It's just like thrown. This is nuts. So they basically took shelter inside. That's just. Wow.
This is right where they took shelter.
Wow, that's beautiful sound.
Wow, a bathroom. A bathroom.
Oh, it's flooded in here, too.
Everything is gone. Wow. So this is where they took shelter.
This is where they took shelter at.
They took shelter right here.
Look at that.
Just watching stuff in.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Be careful, make sure you don't touch anything. Look at.
There are power lines right here, so.
Oh my god.
Yeah.